Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is Lesson 84 Practice Set. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this says, describe each of these expressions as monomial. So monomial meaning one term. Binomial, two terms. Or trinomial, three terms. Okay, and terms are separated by an operation. For example, in A, this is a term and this is a term. So we have two terms, which makes this a binomial. Okay, over here we have one, two, three terms, which would make it a trinomial. Okay, here we only have one term, even though it's a rather large term. We're not adding or subtracting anything else. So it's just one term, which makes it a monomial. Okay. And here we have two terms, which is a binomial. Okay. I went ahead and answered E, the number of terms in each expression. So let's change colors and talk about collecting like terms. Now this can be kind of difficult for kids to get. Once you get it, you get it. But if you don't get it right now, it's okay. We're going to turn that frown upside down. Let's go ahead and get started. So like terms have the same exact variable and the same amount of that variable. For instance, 3a and negative a are like terms. Same variable, same amount. As a matter of fact, this has an invisible 1 in front of it. Okay, so if we pull those out, 3a minus 1a is 2a. You see the amount of a's did not change. And we've collected those like terms. So I'm going to cross them out and find another color. Here I have 2a squared plus a squared. Again, this has an invisible 1 in front of it. Let's pull that out. 2a squared plus 1a squared is equal to 3a squared. Okay, now we're going to write the answer. Okay, normally when we write the answer, we start with the term that has the highest degree or the highest exponent. For us, it would be 3a squared plus 2a, and that is our answer to F. Okay, let's go ahead and do G. So 5xy plus xy with that invisible 1. Let's take that over here. Okay, and then those go away. Okay, let's pick something else. So then we have negative x. This has a invisible 1 in front of it, minus 2x. You'll see that the operators go with the term. So this is negative 1x minus 2x, negative 3x. So our answer is going to be 6xy minus 3x. Okay, all right. On H, we have 3 and negative 5. So that gives us minus 2. Okay. We have plus x squared. Remember, it has that invisible 1. Plus 2x squared. So 1x squared plus 2x squared equals 3x squared. And then we can't forget about this minus x. This needs to be in our answer, even though it doesn't have a like term. Okay, so let's start with 3x squared, because that has the largest degree or the largest exponent, minus x minus 2, and that's our answer to H. Okay, 3 pi minus, and this has that invisible 1 in front of it, so 3 pi minus 1 pi equals 2 pi. Okay, and then I have, let me grab a different color. There we go. I have 1.4 plus 2.8, and I believe that's 4.2. So my answer is going to be 2 pi plus 4.2. All right, let me know if you have any questions.